Here you will see the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Now here from 0, if we are skipping by two numbers, from 0 we will count two numbers 1, 2. So this is 2. So from 0 to 2. Then again we will count two numbers 1, 2, means this 4. Again from 2 to 4. Again 1, 2. Again 1, 2. Again 1, 2. This way. Same way here, if you want to skip two numbers, same thing, you have to count from this number, you have to count two numbers 1, 2. So from here you will skip on this side, right? Same way, two numbers, skip two numbers, again skip two numbers 1, 2. So we will skip it like this 1, 2, skip it like this 1, 2, skip like this. Understand? Here again see, you are skipping by two numbers. So this is your number. From here you will skip by two numbers. So 1, 2, these two numbers. So this is the two number, second number. So you will skip it by 2. Again 1, 2, skip it by 2. Skip it by 2 means you have to leave one space, one number. Just like when we are jumping from here to here, leaving this place here to here. Suppose this red colors are the puddles. So you are skipping the puddles. So skip the puddle, skip one puddle, skip one puddle, skip one puddle, means you are skipping on the next number. You are leaving this number and you are skipping on the next number. Understand? Here you will see this butterfly. This butterfly wants to reach to the 18th flower. Okay, but it will skip by two numbers. So here it is skipped. First one is shown. It is skipped from 8 to 10, leaving one space, means here 1, 2. Again 1, 2. So from 10th place it will skip on 12. Right? Now again 1, 2. So from 12 it will skip on 14. Again 1, 2. From 14 to 16. Again 1, 2. It will skip from 16 to 18 and it will reach there. Okay? If you see here, you will see the circles and in some circles numbers are written. Okay? So you have to write the series according to that, means you have to skip each circle, you have to write each number by skipping 2. Now here is 2. After 2 what I wrote? 4. So what will be the next? Will it be 5 or will it be 6? See, 2, 4. In between that there is a 3. Right? 3, which I not wrote here. Now after 4 which number comes? 5, which we will not write in the circle. We will write the next number. What is that? 6. After 6 which number comes? 7. Then here we will write 8. Then here 9. Here comes 10. So which numbers will come in the circle by skipping 2? That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Correct? Let's do in the below part also. This is 13. So skip the number by 2. After 13 which number is coming? 14, which we will not write here. Just we will keep in mind that 14 here. Then what will come next? 15. 15. After 15, 16 will be here. So 17. Here is 19. Then what will be here? After 19, skipping by 2, which number will come here? 20 will be here. So this will be 21. So which numbers will be skipped by 2? See, this I am cancelling. So which numbers are skipped by 2? 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Here also skip number by 2. Your first number is 16. Second is 18. So what will come here? Will you write 19? No. What you will write? 20. Then what is the next? 20. Then what will be skipped by 2? 20, 21, 22. So here we will write 22. Then 23, 24. Skip by 2. We will not write the next number. It's next number we will write. Next to next. So 24, 25, 26. Understand? Here 23. After 23 which number comes? 24, which we will not write. We will skip it by 2. So it is 25. Then by 2, 26, 27. Skip by 2, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Then here 32, 33. This way you have to skip by 2. Here. What will come here? 34, 36, 38, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Right? Now here. What is that? 57, 59, 61, 63, 65. See? After 65, 66, 67. So you have to write all these numbers by skipping 2.